one of the reasons why I really like this tool is that it's really rooted in the science of learning and literacy. So the output that Diffit provides, it gives a lot of great resources that can be adapted into handouts, printed out, used in a variety of different ways with another tech tool like Pear Deck or Kami. And so it's really rich with, again, giving me strategies for my students that promote their critical thinking and learning instead of just giving us answers. So Diffit already knows that I'm an English teacher, so if I were to input something, it's going to lean towards ELA and towards the levels that I teach. For me, I really like, as an English teacher, that I can click on books and it will list out and give me really common pieces of literature that are read in class. And so I can click on something and it's going to tailor it to the chapters. It already has that information in. I can add the book and then I can create the source. This tool also works really well for the sciences. It works nicely in terms of all different levels, and it can differentiate in different languages. So if you're working with multilingual learners, you've got those supports as well. So I might want key vocabulary. I might want to look at checking for understanding, so I can select as many of these different topics as possible. Again, I really like that it is prompting me or guiding me so that I can get the output that I'm looking for. And so if I'm working with struggling readers, I can identify those different needs as well. And again, I am going to lean towards creating a resource that I can use offline. And Diffit comes with completely customizable resources. So it's not just going to give you an output and that's what you have to work with. It's really an entry point or a starting point for generating some ideas. And again, it's really aligned with standards and with the science of learning. So we're promoting those critical thinking skills that we really want our students to be able to use. So as it is working here, and I had typed in a science topic earlier just to see what my students are working with, which is great. It's giving me a handout already that I could copy, I can change. You can see I can type in anything. So if this was the topic that I was working with, you can see I've got different T-charts, and I'm using, again, different reading and writing strategies that I'm already using in my classroom. I can completely change all the things. It has given me different writing outputs, it's given me quick quizzes, and it's promoting reflection, and it's also giving me a teacher resource. So I can customize this, I can change it, I can absolutely adapt as needed, but it's definitely a really cool tool. So play around with this tool if you're looking for something to differentiate, to work with different levels of students, and see what you can create. Again, this is an amazing starting point to give me a foundation of something that I can use in my classroom, and now I'm going to go in and customize it and personalize it to meet the needs of my students.